fighting and fussing going on. One of these birds is mad at that crow. Could have been the woodpecker. Yeah, it is. See up there? Do I have her? Another one right there. There's two woodpeckers here, and there's going to be a woodpecker fight, I think. This is the noise they made the other day. There's one there, which I can see better. Maybe they're not going to fight. That's a juvenile. I see a gray hair. It's got some red. It'll be on the action cam, whatever time it is right now. I'm back up there. It's a big one there. I hope I got some of it. I'm not good at getting things through the trees. The gimbal doesn't keep up. Anyway, going little. That little cardinal coming back. She's like, what's all this excitement going on? Anyway, I heard all this commotion when I was inside. It was making so much noise. I probably broke up a fight. It was pretty noisy. Somebody was on the ground doing that. Anyway, from Squirrelhood, little woodpecker action. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for subscribing if you have. Subscribe if you haven't. And come on out and hang. Catch you on the next one.